What are the challenges of IP strategy development? Have you ever wondered what it takes to create a solid intellectual property strategy? Developing an intellectual property strategy is not as straightforward as it may seem. There are several challenges businesses face in this process. First, managing overlapping trademark and patent rights can be quite complicated. Trademarks protect brand identifiers like names and logos, while patents protect inventions. Coordinating these rights to create a unified intellectual property portfolio requires careful planning and thorough audits. This helps identify opportunities for collaboration and avoid conflicts. Next, the legal landscape for intellectual property varies greatly across different regions. Each jurisdiction has its own trademark and patent laws, registration processes, and enforcement mechanisms. Companies looking to expand into new markets must adapt their intellectual property strategies to comply with local laws. This can be a daunting task without specialized legal knowledge. Cost is another significant factor to consider. Securing and maintaining patents and trademarks involves various expenses. Initial registration fees, ongoing maintenance costs, and potential enforcement expenses can add up quickly. Budgeting for these costs while prioritizing the most valuable intellectual property assets is a practical challenge, especially for startups and small businesses. Rapid technological advancements also impact the development of patent strategies. Innovations can become outdated quickly or face challenges in patentability due to changing standards. Similarly, trademarks must evolve with branding trends and product lines. This requires continuous monitoring and updates to stay relevant. The digital environment introduces additional risks of intellectual property infringement. Issues like counterfeiting and unauthorized use are prevalent online. Protecting trademarks and patents in this space requires proactive monitoring and enforcement strategies to safeguard brand reputation and technological innovations. Competitive pressures in global markets heighten the risk of infringement. Companies must keep a close eye on competitors' intellectual property activities. Balancing aggressive protection with strategic licensing or collaboration is essential to maximize the value of intellectual property. Finally, integrating intellectual property strategy into overall business and product development processes is vital but challenging. This integration ensures that trademarks and patents support branding, marketing, and innovation goals. It requires coordination between legal, research and development, and marketing teams. To tackle these challenges effectively, businesses should conduct comprehensive intellectual property audits. This helps assess existing trademarks and patents. Developing coordinated filing strategies that align trademark and patent applications with product launches is also essential. Regularly reviewing and updating intellectual property portfolios to reflected business changes and market conditions is crucial. Engaging intellectual property professionals early in product development and branding decisions can make a big difference. Monitoring competitors and market trends helps anticipate risks of infringement. Finally, allocating resources wisely allows businesses to balance protection costs with potential commercial benefits. By addressing these challenges, businesses can create effective intellectual property strategies that protect their innovations and brand identity while supporting growth and market expansion.